Good morning, children. Welcome to your reasoning class. Dear students, today I am going to teach you all Chapter 2, Analogy and Classification, given in page number 14 of your reasoning book. Here you can see in page number 14, the Chapter 2, Analogy and Classification. Dear children, in this chapter, you will classify or find out the odd figures, the different figures or similar figure on the basis of their shapes, size, shadings, their mirror image, number of sides, etc. So children, as you can see that in this chapter consists of 30 questions, and each questions and a set of each questions follows some different patterns. So in our today's class, I am going to solve the first 10 questions for all of you, and the direction for these questions are from question number 1 to 9. We have to find the odd one out. It means you can see in these questions from question number 1 to question number 9, you can find that there are many figures. You can find that there are many figures, and each figure, from each figure, we have to find out that which is odd among them. So let's start our class. In question number 1, you can see that there are 4 figures. The first one is a triangle. The second one is a square. And the third one is a hexagon. Students, do you know that a shape which is having 6 sides is called as, a figure which is having 6 sides is called as hexagon. And in the fourth one, you can see that there is a circle, and in each figure you can find there are lines. Like in the first picture you can see that the first picture is a triangle. A triangle has 3 sides, so you will find that 3 lines are drawn inside this figure. A square has 4 lines, so you can see that 4 lines are drawn inside the figure. Similarly, this pattern is following in the other picture also. But we have to find that which figure is odd. So you can see that in figure A, that is triangle, in figure B, that is square, and in figure C, which is a hexagon, you can see that the outer boundaries of this figure are made up of lines. It means that they have sides. But in figure D, which is a circle, it does not have any line. It does not have any line in its boundary. So our option is option D. Our answer is option D. This figure is odd among them. Here, children, you can see in question number 2, you can see that again there are 4 figures. And this figure is, you can see that in each figure it contains 2 figures. One is just opposite to the first one. But you can see that these all figures are mirror image. These all figures are related to mirror image. So which among them is odd? The opposite figure is, you can see that in option C, the figure which you can see in option C is not a mirror image. So this one is odd. Option C the figure in option C is not a mirror image. So it is your answer. It is not a mirror image. It is not a mirror image. So your answer for question number 2 is option C. Now in question number 3, we have to find the same thing. We have to find the odd figure. Here you can see that in option A, there is a picture with 5 sides. There is a picture with 5 sides. In option B, you can also see that this picture also consists of 5 sides. Again, let's check option C. Yes. In option C, the figure given in option C has also 5 sides. But the figure in option D has only 4 sides. So, which one is odd? Option A, option B and option C, in all these figures you can see that the number of sides is equal. So, and you can see that in option D, the number of sides is not equal. So, our answer is option D. For question number 3, the answer is option D. Now come to question number 4. Children, here you can see that there are 4 figures given in question number 4. I have drawn all the figures given in the question on the board. You can see that this picture has 4 sides, and you can also see that this picture has 4 sides, so it has 4 circles inside it. In the second picture, you can see that this picture has 5 sides, and if you count the number of circles, you will find that the number of circles is also 5. Again, moving towards the third picture, you can see that the number of sides in the third figure is 6, and the number of circles inside it is also 6. But in the fourth figure, you can see that the number of sides is 3, but the number of circle is not 3. So, this is odd among all these figures. Option A, option B and option C. The figures given in option A, option B and option C are following the same pattern, but the figure in option D is odd among them. So your answer for question number 4 is option D. Now come to question number 5. Here children, you can see that in question number 5, we have to find out the odd one. You can see that I have also drawn the figure given in question number 5 on the board. You can see that the first picture is a square. This is a cuboid. This is a sphere. And this is a cylinder. So as we all know that cuboid, sphere and cylinder, all these figures given in option B, C and D respectively are solid figures. But the figure given in option A, which is a square, is not a solid figure. So which one is odd? Option A will be your answer for question number 5. Option A, the figure of square is odd because it is not a solid figure, and the others are cuboid, sphere and cylinder are solid figures. So the figure given in option A, which is a square, is odd among them. Now come to question number 6. Children, you can see that there are 4 figures given in question number 6 and each figure is divided into subparts. For example, the first figure you can see that it is first divided into half and the half part is again divided equally. Again, if you will see the second figure, the figure is divided into half and then the half part is again divided equally. In the third figure, the same pattern is following. But in figure D, you can see that there is a circle which is divided equally, but the half part of this figure is divided unequally. So which one is odd? Option D is odd. So the answer for your question number 6 is option D. Now you can see that in question number 7, there are 4 figures. In each figure is attached with one more figure, one more small figure. You can see that in the first picture, you can see that there is a triangle. There is a triangle which is attached with a small triangle. In option B, you can see that there is a square which is attached with a small square. Again, you can see that in option C, there is a rhombus which is also attached with a small rhombus. But in option D, there are 2 different figures attached with each other. So which one is odd? Option D is odd. So the answer for question number 7 is option D. So children, as you can see, in question number 8, there are 4 figures. In each figure, you can see that each figure is embedded with the same picture inside it. You can see that in the first picture there is a circle. Again you can see the same figure inside it, but it is smaller in size. Again you can see that there is a same picture inside it. So in option A, in option B and option C, you will find that in each figure, similar kind of figure is embedded inside it. But in option D, you can see that in the very middle of this figure, you can see that there is a circle which is different from the other figure. So this one is odd among them. So the answer for question number 8 is option D. In question number 9, you can see that there are 4 figures and in all the figure you can see that 2 pictures are given, 2 figures, 2 shapes are given in each option, but they are diagonally same. In option A, there is a square and there is another square in the downside of the same line. They are diagonally equal. The same picture is given here. But in option B, you can see that there are 2 different pictures given and in diagonally. But in option C and option D, that you will find that the figures are same. So in option A, in option C and option D, you can see that the figures are diagonally same. But in option B, you can find that in the same picture there are 2 different figures. So option B is your answer. This one is odd. This one is odd. Children, in question number 10, you have to find out, choose the figure which is similar to figure X. There is a figure named X given in your book, page number 16. You have to find the similar figure among these 4 options. As you can see, the first part of figure X is a small square which is white in color, which is blank. But you can see in option A, it is a colored picture, so it is not your answer. Option B is also half color and half plain. It is your not answer. It is also not your answer. In option D, you can see that the first part is also colored. So which will be your answer? Your answer will be option C. So children, I hope that you will enjoy this video and you will do these sums in your reasoning copy. Till then, do take very good care of yourself and keep learning. Thank you.